The administration's TV drug pricing proposal we're going to be hearing about for a while, I think. It's clear that the industry came out the day that the plan was rolled out and saying that they were going to challenge it legally. Pharma did. And, there's certainly grounds for a First Amendment challenge to be seen whether it's, a challenge that will be upheld. But, one can say that the proposal, which is an actual rule that has been put out there, will be attacked for saying that it puts out information that is misleading. It doesn't tell people what they really need to know about the actual price of drugs. So if you look at other mandatory pricing, like for example, gas stations, which have to post prices, there you really know, if what am I going to pay for a gallon of gas, whether it's credit or cash, which is always funny because the cash is always such a discount. But will this proposal ever see the light of day? I mean, it's a rule, so it has to go through the regulatory process. In other words, comments, and then be finalized before it takes effect. That process can be fast-tracked, but it usually takes a couple years. So, it's out there. It can be pointed to the administration as a way that they're taking action, but we're a long way from seeing it being implemented. And I can imagine that if it were to be made a final rule, that the industry at that point is going to try to seek an injunction to get the court case heard prior to anything going into effect.